Hey everyone, it's Adam from MAPerformance. We wanted to wish you the happiest of holidays this year, and we put together a short wish list for the Evo X. We've got small stocking stuffer items, all the way up to fully built MAP spec engines. One of the main things you want to upgrade is your clutch. We've got our competition clutch stage 2 kit here. This is a great kit to hold the power your car is making now, or to prepare for the future mods you're going to make down the road. For street and track applications, we really like the competition stage 2 series 2100 clutch kit. It's got a brass plus material for an up to 80% improvement in torque capacity and a very similar feel to the OEM clutch. Whenever you're upgrading your clutch, we also recommend going with a lightweight flywheel. Competition clutch makes this one here, which reduces your rotating mass, which leads to quicker acceleration and faster revs. One of the main things you might not know about us is we offer fully built MAP spec engines. These engines come in both stage 1 and stage 2 power levels, also in short block and long block form. We thoroughly inspect, clean, blueprint, and assemble our engines in a sterile room, and all machining operations are carefully scrutinized to ensure all aspects of every operation meet or exceed our own stringent requirements. Feel free to reach out to us to learn more about our in-stock engine program. Next on the list is our MAP O2 Eliminator Downpipe. This reduces the exhaust restriction after your turbo. This is available in several configurations, including recirculated or open dump like this one. It's also available in raw or ceramic coating. Next up is the AMS Shift Knob. This is made with real 2x2 woven carbon fiber with an aluminum core. It's got an extended length to aid in shifter throw. This shift knob features an AMS logo which is clear coated over so it will not wear off over time. It also keeps the knob closer to the driver's hands while road racing. For those of you looking to go E85, next on the list is Driven Fab's Flex Fuel Kit. This comes with an MTX ethanol content sensor, as well as an Innovate real-time gauge. Take advantage of E85 and leverage this kit to make more power. Last but not least, we've got our Fortunato 500 series coilovers. We all know how critical suspension is to your car, so reward yourself this year and get a high-quality part from Fortunato. These coilovers have 24-step adjustable dampeners, as well as an 8K spring rate. They come with a 5-year limited warranty and digressive piston technology, which allows for stiff low-speed compression and rebound force. This gives more control of driver inputs such as roll, dive, and squat. That wraps up our Evo X Holiday Buyer's Guide. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions you might have. And from all of us at MAP, we want to wish you happy holidays. Comment below what's on your wish list.